So some exciting news just came out, and I think tomorrow is going to be a really, really, really beautiful green day. But again, that's just my opinion. So the U.S. House of Representatives passed the Safe Banking Act. So yeah, it's been approved. It's 100%. I watched them as they passed the law, and now it has to go to the Senate, and then once the Senate approves, it goes right to Donald Trump to sign the bill, and that would be the very, very big for the cannabis industry. I think a lot of people who have money want to get in front of this before institutional investors and banks can start putting money into the market. So I think there's going to be a massive rally because the banking bill will pass sometime this year. So I believe that October and November is going to be a very, very good month for the cannabis space. I think there's going to be a lot of short covering, but again, that's my opinion. I don't know for sure. Nothing is for sure. Maybe tomorrow will come and everything's green right now, and all of a sudden everything will be red. I don't think so. I think money's gonna flow back into the sector. It's already starting to flow back right now. As we can see, Cron is up after hours 28 cents. I think, by the time it closes, we could see a lot more, and early in the morning we could see this up at least 5% at the start of the day. That's my opinion only. I think right now it's at a discount, and I think money is going to start flowing back into Cron. And I do want to share that not yesterday, but the day before yesterday, I went out and I bought. I had a bunch of Canopy shares at $29.50 that was going to expire on September 27th. This is 100% gambling, because I have 2 days for the stock price to reach around $29.50 for me to make a decent coin off of it. But I will share with you guys if that does go there. But I do have a call option on Cron for $12 US. I bought it at 9.7 cents. I could have bought some more today when it was sitting at 4 or 5 cents, but I wasn't sure if the banking bill passed. I should have bought more today. I should have bought some more. But, as we can see, the stock has gone up quite dramatically. And I really do believe that tomorrow, I think Cron is going to be up at least 10%, maybe 15% tomorrow. So I think I will be able to make a lot of money off those call options. I may even buy some more in the morning if it's not too late. We'll see. Canopy is up 3% after hours, so it's I guess 2.27%, but it's still trading. I still think that money's gonna flow back into the sector. Shorts are gonna get nervous and they're gonna cover, and we're gonna have a short squeeze to the upside because money will want to get in front of this banking bill, because once this banking bill becomes law, banks are allowed to borrow, allowed to invest into these companies. Maybe not Canopy and Aurora, but definitely the U.S. guys. So I think Canopy is going to rally because Acreage Holdings is going to be able to borrow money, and that is a big, big, big deal. But Cron, Madman, I guess Madman can borrow money, so that's a big deal. But I don't know. Madman is not really 100% official with Cron, just kind of like a partnership right now. Hexo, even Hexo is up 10 cents after hours. I don't know how Hexo is related to the US besides Molson Coolers. Tilray can borrow. Tilray is, their investors are heavily US based, and it's even up 30 cents after hours. Afria, I don't know what Afria has. Liberal Health Science is kind of related to Afria and Green Growth Brands, I guess, in a sense. But yeah, anyways, Afria up 21 cents after hours, so that's a very, very good sign. And Aurora is up 9 cents after hours. I think 10 cents after hours. I think tomorrow it's going to be up 5%. I did also purchase additional 2,000 shares the day before yesterday. I could have bought some more today, but I didn't. I should have, but I was thinking that maybe the Banking Act wasn't going to do anything, but maybe I'm wrong. Now I'm wrong, and I honestly believe that we're gonna see a nice little rally tomorrow. That's my opinion only. I could, the exact opposite could happen. The market is all green right now, and the market is looking very good right now, except for oil. But I think oil is going to slowly recover. The global down is down quite a bit. That's kind of nasty. Pre-market, everything seems to be trending on the green side right now. So it's a good sign. But I think tomorrow is going to be a good day for the cannabis space. Chesapeake Energy up 2 cents after hours. I don't know if Chesapeake is a good buy right now or if it will keep falling. It's a gamble at the end of the day, but if it goes back to like 250, 260, that's a nice return. That's like 20% return. CHAP, also $1.38 right now. Looks like a good opportunity to pick up some shares, but at the end of the day, I don't really know. It could go to like $1. This is a pure manipulation stock. Basically, I think rich investors is controlling the movement of the stock. That's my opinion. $64 million market cap is ridiculously small. I don't even understand why it has a market cap of $64 million. I've been talking about this stock all the time, and does it go skyrocket to $100? No, because I don't control the stock market. But I honestly believe that CHAP will, move depending on rich investors. If a person put $1 million in of CHAP, I think CHAP will move up 10 cents. That's my opinion. So we'll see. Suncor is trading sideways. Not too much to say about that. Roku is kind of trading sideways. I think Roku's probably gonna trade sideways for a while, and then at a certain point, it's gonna crack and it's gonna fall another 10-15%. But I could totally be wrong. This is just me speculating at the end of the day. But the chart is telling me that this stock is downtrending, so we'll see what happens at the end of the day. But I think it's probably gonna float between $100 to $110 for like, my guess is like another week, maybe couple weeks, maybe. It's pure speculation. I don't know, but I think that one day this will crack and we will see it head to $90. But that's just my opinion. Beyond Meat is down 72 cents after hours, already falling to $4.67. Is it a buying opportunity or will it fall further? I think it's going to be volatile. It could, you could gamble that it can do a bounce right here and just play the bounce, or you can just stay away from it, or you can, maybe, do whatever you want. But I think it's going to be volatile, and I think that it will drop big time eventually. That's my opinion. MedMan had a nice little bounce after hours. I think tomorrow MedMan is going to skyrocket. I think it's going to go all the way up to $2.50. The state act is huge for MedMan. That's my opinion. Because MedMan is in California and they're not allowed to use MasterCards and debit cards. They have to use cash, and MedMan could really use debit and MasterCard. It would probably increase their business. Harvest Health and Recreational, I think it's going to have a big boost tomorrow because of this news, but I could be wrong. I'm hoping Bruce Linton also joins Harvest Health, but this is just hopeful, wishful thinking. True Eve is probably gonna bounce tomorrow. Same with Liberal Health Science. For sure, Liberal Health Science could really use that money. They have no debt on their balance sheet right now, but they could add debt and really, really grow their company. I bought some more of this company today. I think this company will benefit from the State Act passing. We'll see. True Eve. Oh wait, I already talked about True Eve. Let's look at Curaleaf as another alternative. Curaleaf had a nice little drop today. I think tomorrow it's gonna bounce, but I could pick up some. But Harvest just looks like such a good deal compared to Curaleaf. I mean, yeah, Curaleaf's not bad at 844. It could go down lower. Its 52-week low is around, its 52-week low is around $5.48. Don't know if it'll drop back down there, but if it does, that is a huge buying opportunity. I sure hope it does. Bitcoin, but then at the same time I don't, because if Curaleaf drops, the rest of the cannabis space will drop with it. Bitcoin is trading sideways, not too much to say about that. Ethereum is also kind of trading sideways, and Hive, had a massive crash today. I think right now it's just my opinion only. I think it's an opportunity right now. It could go down lower, but I mean, I wouldn't put all your money in this, in the stock. I'm just saying that right now it's broken this 52-week low, and I honestly believe it's an opportunity, at least for a 5 to 10% play easily. If it goes up 2 cents, that's literally a 10% return. So, just don't put all your money in it. I don't think it's going to go bankrupt. I don't think Bitcoin's going to disappear. I don't think Ethereum will disappear. I think those company, I think Bitcoin and Ethereum will have a bounce eventually. And when it does, I think Hive is going to bounce with it. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed this content. Give me a thumbs up. It helps my channel grow. Subscribe for future updates, and have a great day. Bye.